गोपाल भट्ट एको शाखा सर्वोत्तम श्री गोपाल रूप सनातन संगे प्रेम आलापन रूप सनातन जार प्रेम आलापन. Gopala Bhatta Goswami, the 47th branch, was one of the great exalted branches of the tree. He always engaged in discourses about love of Godhead, company of Rupa Goswami and Sanatana Goswami. Purport by Srila Prabhupada. Srila Gopala Bhatta Goswami was the son of Venkat Bhatta, a resident of Srirangam. Gopal Bhatta formerly belonged to the district succession of Ramanuja Sampradaya, but later became part of the Gaudiya Sampradaya. In the year 1433 Sakabda, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was touring South India. He stayed for 4 months during the period of Chaturmasya at the house of Venkat Bhatta, who then got the opportunity to serve the Lord to his heart's content. Gopal Bhatta also got the opportunity to serve the Lord at this time. Sri Gopal Bhatta Goswami was later initiated by his uncle, the great sannyasi Prabodhananda Saraswati. Both of the father and mother of Gopal Bhatta Goswami were extremely fortunate, for they dedicated their entire lives to the service of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. They allowed Gopal Bhatta Goswami to go to Vrindavan, and they gave up their lives thinking of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. When Lord Chaitanya was later informed that Gopal Bhatta Goswami had gone to Vrindavan, met Sri Rupa and Sanatana Goswami, was very pleased, and he advised Sri Rupa and Sanatana to accept Gopal Bhatta Goswami as their younger brother, take care of him. Sri Sanatana Goswami, out of his great affection for Gopal Bhatta Goswami, compiled the Vaishnava Smriti named Hari Bhakti Vilas, published it under his name. Under the instruction of Sri Rupa Goswami and Sanatana, Gopal Bhatta Goswami installed one of the 7 principal deities of Vrindavan, the Radharamana deity. These Sevaites, priests of the Radharaman temple, belonged to the Gaudiya Sampradaya. When Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami took permission from all the Vaishnavas before writing Chaitanya Charitamrita, Gopal Bhatta Goswami also gave him his blessings, but he requested him not to mention his name in the book. Therefore Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami has mentioned Gopal Bhatta Goswami only very cautiously in 1 or 2 passages of Chaitanya Charitamrita. Srila Jiva Goswami has written in the beginning of Tattva Sandarbha, a devotee from southern India was born of a Brahman family and was very intimate and friend of Rupa Goswami and Sanatana Goswami, has written a book that he has not compiled chronologically. Therefore, I, a tiny living entity known as Jiva, am trying to assort the events of book chronologically, consulting the direction of great personalities like Madhvacharya, Sridhar Swami, Ramanujacharya, and other senior Vaishnavas in the disciplic succession. In the beginning of the Bhagavad Sandarbha, there are similar statements by Srila Jiva Goswami. Srila Gopal Bhatta Goswami compiled a book called Satkriya-sara Deepika, edited. The Hari Bhakti Vilas wrote a foreword to the Sat Sandarbha and a commentary on Krishna Karnamrita, and installed the Radharaman deity in Vrindavan. In the Gaura Ganadesha Deepika, verse 184, it is mentioned that his previous name was, in the past time of Lord Krishna, was Ananga Manjari. Sometimes he is also said to have been an incarnation of Gunamanjari. Srinivasa Acharya and Gopinath Pujari were two of his disciples. In this Chaitanya Charitamrita Adilila, chapter 10, Kaviraj Goswami gives detailed description of the dear devotees completely surrendered to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Those constitute branches and sub-branches of Chaitanya tree. They are the expansions, Chaitanya tree. These devotees, many already spoken, and some more are there. This Kaviraj Goswami speak. This chapter, big chapter, this Chaitanya Charitamrita Adilila, 10, description of the Chaitanya tree, its expansion. It's a vast expansion, branches, sub-branches. And the very dear devotees, and complete surrender. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, dear devotees of Krishna, they are acharyas, great acharyas, rasacharyas, tattvacharyas, and they know this tattva and they release it, this melon. Do you understand? Without the mercy of such Vaishnavas, elevated Vaishnavas, Gaura Priyadana, they are devotees of Mahaprabhu, acharyas, we cannot understand this tattva, Gaura tattva. Cannot understand. Gaura tattva is very, very highest tattva. Highest tattva. It's higher than Radha Krishna tattva. Do you understand? Radha Govinda tattva. Because Radha Govinda, Radha Krishna, two bodies are there. Two bodies, Asra and Visaya, two bodies. Asra Vigraha, Visaya Vigraha. Krishna is Visaya Vigraha, Radharani Asra Vigraha. Two bodies are there. Shakti, Shaktiman, energy and energetic, isn't it? Two bodies are there. But Gaura Tattva, there is one body. Only one. Two bodies combined together, they become one. Do you understand? They become one. That is Gaura. This tattva is very, very confidential tattva. And the highest rasa tattva. Highest. And only they are fortunate. Those who have gotten the mercy of this elevated Vaishnavas, Gaura Priyadanas, these elevated Acharyas, Mahajanas, do you understand? They can understand it. Otherwise, nobody can understand it. And if we are able to get some mercy of that, those Mahajanas, Acharyas, elevated Vaishnavas will be able to understand something. How this tattva is there. Now, these two, Rasaraj and Mahabhava, two became united. You understand? In what way, what it means, how it became, how it becomes, is very confidential tattva. Do you understand? And all these Mahajanas, these Acharyas, they have expressed this thing. They have expressed this thing. It was previously, what you say, reserve, the reservoir with very strong embankment cannot be broken. But these Mahajanas, they cut it open. Do you understand? They cut it open, they flow came. Very strong embankment was cut open. They cut it open, the flow came. And they released it and they distributed it. By their mercy, a fortunate jiva, bhakta, can release it and understand it. It is mentioned in Chaitanya Charitamrita this Kaviraj Goswami has mentioned, Hudaya dhare je Chaitanya Nityananda, ये सब सिद्धांत से ही पाइबे आनंद। ये सब सिद्धांत है आम्रेर पल्लव। अभक्त भक्त गण कोकिलेर सर्वदा बल्लभ। अभक्त उष्ट्रेरित ना हई प्रवेश, तबे चित्ते हय मोर आनंद विशेष। अदे भक्तगणे करी नमस्कार, निसंके कही तार हौको चमत्कार। Those who are very dear devotees of Chaitanya Nityananda, those got mercy of Chaitanya Nityananda, those who are bound up Chaitanya Nityananda in their heart by the rope of love, only they can get some ananda, rejoicing, pleasure, understanding this siddhanta, this tattva, their conclusion. Do you understand siddhanta? All this siddhanta, this tattva, Gaura tattva, is like newborn mango leaves, amra pallava. Do you understand? Newborn mango leaves. Look reddish, very soft. Do you understand? And the cuckoos, those are cuckoos, they taste it. That newborn mango leaves and mango flower. The cuckoos taste it. But the crows, they cannot taste it. The crows taste the very bitter neem leaf, neem flower. Bhaktagana kokile, those are devotees, dear devotees, premi bhaktas, developed prema, Krishna prema, they are like cuckoos. Only they can release it. Those are abhakta, non-devotees, they are like crows, or they are like camels, ustra. They cannot release it. Understand my language? Tobe chitte hoy mor ananda vishesh. Still, I feel some ecstasy in my heart. Ote bhakta gane kari namaskar, nisanke kahita. Kaviraj Goswami says, therefore paying obeisance to these bhaktas, all these elevated devotees, Mahaprabhu Gana, Mahaprabhu's men, followers of Mahaprabhu, very intimate, begging mercy at their lotus feet, I have made an effort to disclose it. Arasagya kakachuse jnana nimba phala arasagya kogla khaya premamuklo abhagya jnani aswade susko jnan Krishna premamrita pan kare bhagyavan. But the jnani is most unfortunate. He just chews the dry jnana. But fortunate bhakta, premi bhakta, he releases Krishna premamrita, nectar of Krishna prema. Therefore we say, Bhaja Gauranga, Kaha Gauranga, Lava Gaurangar Namare, Jijana Gauranga Bhaji, se hoy amar pranare. One who does Gauranga Bhaja, he is my life and soul. He is so fortunate, so I beg his mercy. So Swarupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, Rai Ramananda, Raghunath Das Goswami, Raghunath Bhatt Goswami, all these sort of Goswamis, they are Rasacharyas, Tattvacharyas, and Prabhupada Saraswati Path, Kavi Karna Pura, their devotees, Rasika Bhaktas, all these Mahajanas, they have written about it, this confidential tattvas in their books, granthas. Do you understand? So, following in their footsteps, I, Kaviraj Goswami, I want to speak something That Kaviraj Goswami says. Those who are Sakhis Manjaris, most of them you see mentioned the Sakhis Manjaris in Krishna Lila. So by the mercy of the Sakhis Manjaris, I make an effort to disclose it. Those who are non-devotees, they are very, they are far away from it. They cannot taste, they cannot reach it, they cannot understand it, they cannot touch it. Therefore, since Kaviraj Goswami in Chaitanya Charitamrita, begging mercy of these devotees, Mahajanas, dear devotees of Mahaprabhu, those who consider the branches and sub-branches of Chaitanya tree, has made an attempt to speak about it. So, in Brajabhumi, in Brajbilas, Nandanandan Krishna, who is Rasaraja, reservoir of all rasa, melon. Follow? This is specific language, Baba. You should understand it. Rasaraja. Yes, it's Krishna. This reservoir of all rasas, melons. This Rasaraja. This Nandanandan Krishna, son of Nanda Maharaj, son of Jasoda Mata, developed 3 desires. Greed. And that could not be fulfilled in Brajabilas, in Krishna Lila. What are those? Radhaya Pranaya Mahima Kidrusam. Sadhya Hena Bhuta Madhurima Kidrusam Madhya. Saukyanchasya Madan Bhavata Kidrusam Beti Lobhat. Tad Bhavadya Samajani Sachigarva Sindhu Harindo. Isn't it? 3 desires remained unfulfilled. Radhaya, first Radhaya Pranamahima Kidrusam. What is the love of Radharani? How can I understand Krishna things? I cannot. Second, Sadhya Hena Bhuta Madhurima Kidrusam Madhya. What is my excellent beauty that Radharani relishes? How I can relish my own beauty? Cannot. Second, third, Saukyanchasya. What sukha, happiness Radharani gets relishing my beauty. How I can get. 3 desires remained unfulfilled. Remained unfulfilled in Brajavilasa. Follow my language? In Brajalila. And thought of, I cannot do it because Krishna is Rasar Visay. Radharani is Rasar Asray. Who is Visay? How can he understand, relish the relishment of Asraya Tattva? Impossible. Cannot be. Therefore, Kaviraj Goswami writes, Bijatiyo bhave no taha aswadana. Bijatiyo bhave no taha aswadana. It's bijatiyo. Do you follow? It's not same category. It's a different category. Category of Visay. This category of Asray. So Krishna is in category of Visay. And his only category. How can he taste the melon released by those who are in the category of Asray? Cannot. Then he thought of very deeply and came to one. Took up this decision. Radhikar bhava kanti angigar vinay tino vancha kabhu naheva purane. Without accepting, assuming the mood, the complexion of Radharani, these 3 desires of mine cannot be fulfilled. Understood? Very deeply thought of, then took up this decision. Without this, these 3 desires of mine cannot be fulfilled. So he decided, I must do it. Then question, how can I do it? Radhikar bhava kanti dharitar varna tina sukha aswadite hobe avatirna. I must appear in that form, assuming the mood and complexion of Radharani, then I'll fulfill all these three desires. Now, question arises, how can it be done? That is most important thing and very, very confidential matter. Radharani's mood and complexion, how anybody else can have it, assume it, accept it? This is not an easy affair. Do you understand? Not an easy affair. Rasaraja and Rasavati. Krishna is Rasaraja, Radharani is Rasavati. Follow my language. Specific language, yes, Bhati. Rasaraja, Rasavati. Raja, Rani, king, queen. One body. Do you understand? Krishna and Radha became one body. In Brajabhumi, Brajavila, there are two bodies. Rasaraja and Rasavati, Radharani, is an outside. So Krishna has to enter into her. Otherwise, how can he accept the mood? Unless he enters into the core of the heart of Radharani. Follow my language. Then Rupa Goswami in his book Ujjvala Nilamani has mentioned this thing. Very confidential thing. Have you read it? In Ujjvala Nilamani is mentioned. That is what? Radhaya bhavatasya chita jatuni sodair vilapya kramat junjanadri nikunja kunjarapate nibdhuta bheda bhramam चित्राय स्वयं मन्मरंजाय दीह ब्रह्मांड हर्म्योदरे भूयो भीर नवराग हिंगुलभरी श्रृंगार कारुकृति. He has written this verse in Ujjvala Nilamani, Rupa Goswami. That means the heart of Radha and the heart of Krishna. Rupa Goswami compares it with wax. If you put it in the fire, the wax, if fire is tossed, it becomes melted. Yes, it becomes melted. Similarly, the hearts of Krishna and Radha are like that wax. And with this prema love is like a fire. Do you understand? It has a heat. With that heat, it becomes melted. Pure love. It never burns to ashes, rather it melts only. And it melts, the two become one. Nayaka, Nayika. So this Veda, the difference is no more now. No difference of Nayaka and Nayika, Kanta or Kanta. What do you say in English? Hero, heroine, or husband and wife. Kanta means husband, Kanta means wife. Radha, Krishna is Kanta, Kanta. Krishna is Kanta. Radharani, Kanta. Follow? Yes. In English you may say husband, wife. But it's not exactly this word. No, but for you, you just form an idea. It's not like mundane husband and wife, no such thing. Krishna and Radha is Kanta, Kanta. There is difference. But when this wax melted, with the intense heat of the love, pure love, it became one. It becomes one. So there's no difference between Kanta and Kanta, no? Follow my language. Try to understand and beg mercy at the lotus feet of these Vaishnavas mentioned here. Then you will be able to understand. Otherwise, you cannot understand. You are like a deaf person. I am just speaking to a deaf. What he can. He cannot hear it. Do you follow? Because they were two, they are two, now they become one tattva. There is difference and now there is no difference. Then what is to be done? They will forget their own ego. Give up their ego, otherwise how they can be combined together? How this separation will be no longer there, difference will no longer there, it will be one. This is known as Unnata Ujjvala Srungara Rasa. Unnata Ujjvala Srungara Rasa, conjugal mellow. Srungara means conjugal. Unnata, very elevated, effulgent, conjugal mellow. That is Unnata Ujjvala Srungara Rasa. Do you understand? And that will be melted and become one. Now what is the means? What is the means? How will it be? How it will take place? Then Krishna thought of, I have to enter into the heart of Radharani. Otherwise this cannot take place. Vidagdha Madhava and Lalita Madhava, these two dramas Rupa Goswami has written. Rasara Sri Krishna Mahavami Radha. I'll cite an example, that how it can be. In Lalita Madhava, the drama, Act 10. His name is Purna Manoratha. Name of that act is, Anka is Purna Manoratha. Some wonderful incident was there. Rupa Goswami has mentioned. Radharani felt acute pang of separation. Krishna. Krishna went to Mathura, didn't come back. So what to do? Radharani said, I cannot survive. I must die. So Radharani went to Kalindi, that means Jamuna, to commit suicide. Drown myself. Follow me? So she drowned herself there. Deep water of Kalindi. Kalindi Jamuna, daughter of sun, Surya. Do you understand? So Jamuna took up Radharani, handed her over to her father, Suryadev. Suryadev handed her over to his dear devotee, Satrajita. Do you understand? Satrajita, dear devotee of Suryadev, whose daughter is Satyabhama. So Satrajita's daughter is Satyabhama. Satyabhama married Krishna. So Radharani entered into Satyabhama. Follow me? Radharani entered into Satyabhama. So in this way there is union in Dwarka. And Krishna married Satyabhama. Do you follow me? So Krishna again got Radha in the form of Satyabhama. Follow? And also there Those are dear associates of Krishna and Brajabhumi. They in some form also appear there. At that time, Krishna tells Radharani, Praneshwari Radhe, Parthayasva Kimata, Param Karavani. Rupa Goswami writes, my dear Radhe, how can I serve you? Please tell me. Then Radha said, Jate Leela Pado Parimaladgari Vanya Parita Dhanya Khauni Vilasati Bruta Mathuri Madhuri Tatra Asmabhi Chatula Pasupi Bhavo Mudhantarabhi Sambitastam Kalaya Vadanullasi Venu Viharam. Hello. Rupa Goswami has written in that drama. That means, Radharani says, oh, fickle Krishna, Chanchala Sola, very fickle, you are very fickle, Krishna. I have this prayer. Please, let us go back to Brajabhumi. That land is waiting there for you. How beautiful it looks, Brajabhumi, Vrindavan. You cannot find anywhere uncomparable beauty. Please let us go there. We are all going as damsels of Brajabhumi. You please go, let us all be there surrounding you. And you pick up your flute again. There's no flute there in Dwarka. Gopavesa, Venukara, Nabakishara, Natavara, this is Madhurjamaya Krishna. And again you sing your sweet songs through your sweet flute singing. Kaviraj Goswami has written, Tomar charana mora brajapura ghare, uday karaho jadi teho vancha pure, sei sava, sei Krishna, sei Vrindavan, jobe paye tobe hoy vanchita purana. Kaviraj Goswami writes, if you go back to Brajabhumi, then my desire will be fulfilled. You that cowherd boy, Krishna, that Vrindavan, Brajabhumi, if I get it, then my desire will be fulfilled. Sri Krishna says, Tathastu, all right, let it be done. Then Radha asked, Kathamiya, how will it be? You are here. How will it be possible now? Krishna didn't say anything. Only he looked at this southern side. Krishna only looked at it, as if he is waiting for somebody to come. Sri Krishna Thagitamiva pasabhyato vilokate pravishya gargya sahapati khepena kanansa. Rupa Goswami has written that thing. That means, at that time, the daughter of Gargamuni, Gargi, came, and the daughter that was born to Jasoda Mata, that is Ekanansa, Jogamaya Devi came. Do you understand? Gargi and Jogamaya, they appeared. That Jogamaya said, Sakhi Radhe, Matra Sansayam Kutha Jato Bhavatyaha Srimad Gokule Tatraiva Vartante Kintu Maeva Kala Kheparthamanyatha Prapanchitam. तदे तदनुभूयतां कृष्ण पेश तत्र गत एव प्रतीयतां. That Jogamaya Devi says, Radhe, don't cherish any doubt. Huh? You are all there in Brajabhumi. You, Krishna, everybody, there in Brajabhumi. Only to put it in some other way, I have done so. I have done so, to put it in some other way. All Leelas are enacted by Jogamaya. Yes, I have done so. But it is certain that you are all there. Krishna is there. You are all there. Again, Radharani says, Bahiranga lakhyataya Sri Gokulamapi so Swarupeir alankara bhameti. Those who are not very intimate, very dear, very intimate, they cannot understand this thing. Those are not intimate, they are known as Bahiranga, external persons, not internal. External, Bahiranga. They cannot understand. They cannot see all these things. They have no such vision. Therefore, without their notice, let us go there, that Brajabhumi, and again manifest such Leela. That Bahiranga, those who are external people, they cannot see it, they cannot observe it. Those are internal, very dear, only they have such vision, only they can see and visualize it. That is what Radharani says. Then Krishna says, Priye tathastu. Tadehi so sustabhabhyarthanama bandhyankaravava. Krishna light, my dear Radharani, let it be done. What is your desire? Let us be fulfilled. Let it be fulfilled. So, Krishna is there always in Brajabhumi. Radharani is hearing all this thing, became very much amazed. Because Jogamaya is acting in such a way. Do you understand? Yes. So, purport is that both Radha and Krishna, they are eternally in Vrindavan. Vrindavan paritejya padamekam nagachanti. Krishna never leaves Vrindavan even one step. Do you understand? So this is Siddhanta. This is the conclusion. Then what is that Mathura Leela and Dwarka Leela? What is that? The Mathura Leela and Dwarka Leela. This is like dream. Dream. Dream of Krishna. Do you follow? Krishna sees this dream staying in Brajabhumi. Sanatana Goswami has said this in Brihad Bhagavatam. All these Goswamis, they have revealed this mystery. Do you understand? Very confidential. Sanatana Goswami writes in Brihad Bhagavatam, Krishna says, I saw a very long dream. What is that? I have gone to Dwarka and have become king there. And I married thousands of wives there. Yes, this is a long dream I saw. Do you understand? Krishna is absolute, his dream is also absolute. And to follow, is everything absolute. Everything transcendental. It's not like your dream. That lying on the bed, you are seeing. In dream you saw, oh, you have become Indra in the heaven. When you wake up, oh, I am lying in the bed here. But Krishna's dream is not like that. It takes place. Follow me? We cannot conceive this thing. Purport is there. This Brajendra Nandan, Brajavilasi, Krishna never leaves Vrindavan. That is his Antaravas, that is inner chamber. That is inner chamber. So Unnata Jala Rasabihara Khetra, that is the only chamber where this very elevated, effulgent, this rasa, conjugal, mellow, is released there. Dwaraka and Mathura is intermediate chambers. Do you understand? Madhyama Vasha, Prabhavilas of Krishna is there. His Vasudeva is there. Vaikuntha is third. It is his third apartment. You understand? This is Vaibhavlas Vihar Khetra. So Yogamaya can do and undo things. Aghatana, Sagatana kind. So Gopavesa, Venukara, Shikhanda Chula, Nitya Kishore, Brajendra Nandan, Nitya Vihar, Brajadham is always there. Is always the Leela is going on. Mathura, Dwaraka, though eternal, still that is like dream. That is like dream. Yes. And everything related to that absolute truth, Krishna, everything is absolute. There is nothing material dream. It takes place. So many things are there, and you cannot understand. This Navadip Dham, you understand, this Brajadham, then comes some Navadip Dham. The Navadip Dham is one of the compartments, one of the compartments of Brajadham. You understand? But it is a closed compartment. Do you understand? Closed compartment. It is a closed compartment. It is one of the compartments of Brajadham. But it is a closed compartment. In that closed compartment, both Krishna and Mahabhavamayi Radhika, both of them feel pangs of separation, acute pang of separation. Do you understand? Krishna feels the acute pang of separation of Radha, Radharani feels the acute pang of separation of Krishna in that closed compartment. So that pang of separation is like fire, heat. So that heat melts that wax, the heart of the two. And that melts and they unite together and become one. Do you follow? That is Gaura. Do you understand? That is Gaura. That is Gaura. Is Gaura Tattva. Hrudaya Nikunja Abhyantari. Outside, Gaura is feeling, is Radhabhav feeling acute pang of separation from Krishna, who is Krishna himself, and chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, is outside. Inside is in Vrindavan. Is in Vrindavan, but in Navadip. So where is Navadip, where is Vrindavan? That is, Navadip is that closed compartment in Brajabhumi. You understand? Closed compartment where both of them feel this acute pang of separation from each other, and the wax of their heart like wax melt together and become one. Follow? This is Tattva, this Rupa Goswami written. Gaura. Therefore, Gaura Bana Brajabhama Vedana Dekhiva. So don't see difference between Gauravana and Brajavana. Gaura Mandala Bhumi Javadani Chintamani Tar Hoy Brajabhumi Vas. Gaura Brajavane Vedana Dekhiva Hoiva Brajavasi. Don't see difference between Gauravana and Brajavana. Do you understand? If you see difference, then you cannot have it. You cannot understand it, you cannot have it, you cannot have the mercy. You cannot enter into this tattva. Rather you commit offense. Dhamera swarupas purivena haiva radharadasi. Then you will be able to see that dhama, Brajadham and Navadvip Dham. When you become the dasi, maid servant of Radharani, then you will be able to understand this thing and see the swarup of the dham. You understand? Otherwise you cannot. Such confidential. And all these devotees, they are very intimate, confidential associates. Associates of Krishna. And they are with Gaura also. Take part in Gaura Leela also. They are the expansions of the tree of Gauranga. Gauranga tree. Branches. They know all this. Tattvas. They have discovered it. In that. Unless you get mercy of these elevated Vaishnavas, intimate. Gaura Priya Janas, we cannot understand, we cannot enter into it, we cannot touch it. Follow me? Thank you.